Hello lovelies, this is Elisa from Elisa's Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you my design team project for Shabby Art Boutique using the gorgeous kit from the craft room membership called Noel. It's a stunning kit. It's perfect for Christmas. I have made a gift idea that is a stationery set for journalers. First part, it's an altered composition notebook. As you can see, I've used lots and lots of glitters all around. I took one of the normal composition notebooks purchased from Amazon and I altered it. So I used a beautiful paper to start with as a base. After, I put this gorgeous gold with glitter ribbon that I purchased from Italy when I went on a holiday, and I also added all around the edges in here to create this effect. I created some 3D images, the reindeer, the bow. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I use lots and lots and lots of stickers, as you can see. And that's the back. This is how it looks from the side. I've used this gorgeous trim on the side as well. I've left everything plain from the inside. I just added some dashboards. So here I've got this beautiful image with a pocket. I left it plain because I'm gonna gift it to a friend so she can put whatever she likes to. This beautiful image. I used this golden trim here. All the rest is blank. Here you have another one, and this one as well. And that's the back with another pocket. After I made this gorgeous notebook, look at that, lots and lots of stickers. I used one of these background pages. I folded in half and double-sided with this gorgeousness as well. I put this lovely golden glitter ribbon as well, 2 layers. I've created these 3D effects using the beautiful big stars with beautiful Santa Claus, some bows, some pearls, obviously. And created some decorations. All the pages are left blank. It's perfect for journalers, for writing, using as a journal. I've made a card to go together with the gift. I used one of the 5x7 pages, printed double-sided with this one, folded in half, put the ribbon with glitter as well on the edges. Just add this beautiful image and obviously lots and lots of stickers, as you can see. Created this snow effect. It's so fun to use stickers. Last but not least, I've got this gorgeous tag flip book that is perfect for journalers. You can use it inside the altered composition notebook, or you can use it individually as a journal or as a Christmas bucket list as well. Let's dig in. This is how it looks when it is open. As you can see, there's lots and lots of tags. So I'm going to show you one by one. There's lots of tags inside the kit, so I've used them. And I put this lovely ball, lots and lots of stickers inside. This one was one of the journaling cards. I've added this lovely flower. I put lots and lots of ribbon all around it. So this is so pretty. I added a little bow. This one with the bow, this beautiful ribbon. I've created this lovely cascading ribbon lace effect that I adore. I just added some decorations to each one. And obviously lots and lots of stickers in order to decorate it. This is one of the cards. They are so beautiful. This is one of my favorite images. I just love this one. Oh my god, so pretty. This one is beautiful. I didn't add any decoration to that one because I thought it was really pretty and completed. I added a bow. This is one of the cards. I added the star with a pearl. I love the stars. They're just gorgeous. These angels are just beautiful. I added a ribbon at the bottom, and last but not least, this one I've added now. The great news is that from today, the craft room membership is open. So if you follow my link below, you can actually register and join this fabulous community. There's so many talented crafters, so many additional projects each month, beautiful kit every single month. Karianne released a gorgeous kit. She never disappoints. She also adds beautiful bonus projects each month, and it's a fabulous community for crafters. If you are interested in joining, please follow the link that you find in my description box below. So that is all from me from today. I hope you enjoyed the project and that inspired you to make your own Christmas gifts. It's so much fun when you make your own handmade gifts for your family and friends, or even to yourself. Why not? I'll see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.